Hi everyone and welcome to another Hitfilm tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to shake video. It can look really cool, and if you sync the shake to a beat drop, it could look alright as an intro, which I do. So first of all, click the import button to import the clip if you haven't already. It will then appear here, and then you can drop the clip into the timeline. See what it looks like when you play it through. If you need to mute the clip, just drag it down to the bar. To add the shake effect, you go to the Effects tab and then search up Shake. Alternatively, you can scroll down to Grunge and then click on Shake. This will then shake the video if you drag it onto the video. So you have to make sure you do that. To customize the shake, just click on the triangle and multiple options will appear. They include amount, speed, seed, smooth, scale, individual controls, fractal, motion blur, and wrap. You can customize them by changing them. As you can see, I've tried using 235.5 as the amount, but once again you can change it from the default. See, I've moved the speed up to 16.4, but that looks like it's a bit too much, so I moved it back down to 7.2, and I've changed the amount to 112.6. You can also change the seed. As you can see, I've changed it to 3200 and smooth to 100. The final option that comes up, scale, is how big the clip is in proportion to the screen. So if you click a really low amount of scale, hundreds of clips will come up on the screen and they'll all be shaking, of course. But if you click a really high amount, it will zoom in right to the middle of your screen. So you can change it if you want to, but if you just want a normal screen, just keep it on 1. That's how easy it is if you don't need to export. To export though, it's just below the previewer in the top right hand corner of the timeline, and then you just click Contents and it exports for you. Thanks for watching. Please watch other videos, like and subscribe. Thanks.